Does this eye makeup looks so time consuming? Does this look so much difficult to do? What if I tell you that I have just finished this look within 5 to 6 minutes? We are going to create it. I'm going to show you the entire way, but please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I'm already done with prepping my skin, which includes concealing the lids, setting the powder, and filling in the brows. I'm using this sponge applicator, which we usually get with our eyeshadow palettes, but we don't use it. But it's really useful when you are going to do just this much look, and this is going to pack so much color. I'm using the maroon eyeshadow and swiping it out in the outer part in the form of V, as you can see on the screen. Right next to this, I am going to take the yellowish tone of the eyeshadow and swiping in the same method. Now, why this tutorial is very easy, because this do not requires time to blend. Just take a big fluffy brush, dab on the two colors, two eyeshadows, and these are going to give you the seamless and perfect blend. Just keep on dabbing, which is really easy process even if you are doing it for the first time, and you are going to ace this look very beautifully. As you can see, I'm dabbing it, and this is going to give the perfect transition, color wise color. After dabbing it in, next I am going to take the same sponge applicator and using the light highlighter shade in the 1/3 part of the eye from the front. This is going to give more sort of glamorous yet soft look. You can just skip this part and you may call this look done. But I wanted to add something extraordinary and something eye-catching to this look, so I just kept on creating what my heart says. And the same brush, I'm going to swipe that on the lower lash line, because whatever is left is going to be transferred to my lower lash line. It may look time consuming, but actually you and me know the reality, it's not. Just going to buff out if any extra color is there. This is done, you can call it done, but as I mentioned, I wanted to add something extra. So I'm going with black stones today to just add to this mood and to add to this look. So I am going to stick on the stones to my 1/3 lid space of the eye in the front part. Up next, I'm going to apply eyeliner. So I'm using the gel eyeliner today. I'm going to be very precise while applying this eyeliner, because I want it very close to my lash line, because I just want a very thin line, not the thick liner. After applying the eyeliner, I am going to use the same brush in my lower lash line as well, and going to fill in the outer part of the eye makeup in the lower lash line. Just focusing on the outer part to have that perfect ombre from light to dark, in front to the outer part. I'm not taking extra liner, whatever is left I'm going to use that only. This is going to give you that smoky look in the outer part, and you can see how beautifully this is turning out. Up next, it's time to curl your lashes, and I'm using a lash curler for that. It's really important to curl your lashes in order to have more volume when you are going to apply anything over it. Next, I'm going to use falsies and placing it on my lid space and using the mascara to merge the two so that my natural lashes and the one that I have applied get blended together and looks very natural. And this is the finished look. Do let me know, what do you guys think? Comment down below if you want to see next, and just subscribe to my channel because I'm really doing hard work and your subscribing means a lot to me. So please don't forget also to hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. And I post videos weekly to help you guys creating these eye looks in a very easy manner. And I hope that you are going to like this, and also don't forget to share this with your friends. Till then, stay healthy. Bye guys.